Yo, what's good, y'all? Been a little minute, almost like a month since I dropped the video, but I want to come on here, update y'all on my trading journey, what's going on, what's been going on. So, um, I think the video prior to this video, I think I was funded. I'm not funded no more, which is alright. I'm working on it now. It's Top Step still. I'm also in the live account route, which I think I like better. I swing trade on my live account. I think I mentioned that too. And I actively day trade on my prop firm account. Lately, I'm in like my break even profitable stage. Like I'm not over trading or over leveraging or none of that. It's just, um, I don't know. I'm in this stage where I'm about to just like go, and I feel it. So I think this year is that year. Um, I've been trying to stay, positive for the most part, and I have been. So I've been locked in, trying to get my mind right, trying to stay right. Um, this journey is definitely like something I love because it's like you go through ups and downs, and that's the best part of this journey. Like just fighting every day, like no matter what comes at you. So I'm gonna turn my light off. My little ring shit died, bro. Hold on. Yeah, so that's what I've been working on. And I'm gonna keep it like this actually. And yeah, man. So right now I'm really locked in with my live account. I'm trying to like flip that. Not even trying to flip it, but I'm just following my rules, trading my live account. Um, specifically with like pairs like gold and silver, because those are like very volatile pairs, and I've been doing pretty good with those. Last week, I say like Friday last week, I took a buy on gold, and what day was that? That was like what day was it? I think it was on the 13th. I think it might have been the 13th or something like that. Something like I don't think so. Maybe I don't know. I forgot, but it was last week, and I've been in some gold buys because price action been given buy structure right on the 20th. All right, so on the 20th, I bought gold on my live account. Mind you, I've only put $130 in my live account, so I'm like, all right, like I have a strategy down pack. I'm to a point where I can stay like disciplined and shit. So I put 130 in my live. I held this position. I'm holding this position still. I'm aiming for about all time highs with this gold buy. I'm about to show y'all in a minute what it's looking like. But I'm fucking with swing trading more. Actively day trading, I'm cool with. But like swing trading to me is something where I feel like I can see myself doing more, just so I can actually stay patient. And this has been testing my patience because I never held a trade this long, bro, like ever. So let's get into it. Let me show y'all what it's looking like, where I got in at, how it's looking, all that shit. Uh, real quick, let me fix this. All right. So boom, real quick. Let me show y'all how it looks. All right, this is my MetaTrader. I mean, this is my Trade Locker account. My broker is Hero FX, so I haven't had no issues with them yet. They're pretty cool. All right, so let's get into this trade, right? So I got in this trade, um, like I said last Friday on the 20th. I was in a silver trade before I actually took this trade. So once I took this trade, it was on a Friday. After a silver trade, that's like out for $200, right? So I was already up like 300 something, but these swap fees are wiping my account a little bit, which is all good though. I'm gonna get all that money back. But what made me buy gold was I seen price action just make higher highs and new higher lows in the market, and it was just a given that we're like bullish. So this was PM session, I think, when I took this trade. I saw this move after my silver trade. I saw this buy above here. We had news. I think there was a news event. Price drop. Wick, made a little wick right here. We went on up. After this buy setup was, after I seen price go above here, I'm like, yeah, I'm in there. But I'm like, yeah, we going up now. Like we going up. So as you can see, we went up and price is just flowing, bro. Price just flowing, bro. So we went up last week. I put 2 more positions in. We went all the way up here. Price is, not making any lower lows. It's like a new higher low on the 4-hour time frame, which I'm like, bet. Say no more. This is just a higher low, and we also respected this level right here. Right, so we tapped this level, which I predicted. If you're on my Discord, I predicted this too. And we tapped this level right here. As long as you didn't, when I saw that price broke above 5,100, I'm like, yeah, it's up now. Like it's up, and rest is history. So we retested this level, and then I bought again. I think what day was this? I bought this on a Tuesday. I feel like maybe a Tuesday or a Monday actually. 23rd was on a Monday. Yeah, I bought again Monday. And I bought again the next day, Tuesday. Price was consolidating throughout the whole week, right? And throughout the week, and when I see that price, just know when price is consolidating throughout the week, expect an impulsive move, either up or down. Price failed to make lower lows. Price did not break this low right here. So I'm like, all right, we're gonna push up, right? So Friday comes, which was yesterday, and it was CPI news. Didn't really do much, but we pushed up, and the rest is history. So now, off of $130, I'm floating $1,065, bro. Like, you don't need that much money to just trade. You need simple strategy and the right mindset, and just being disciplined to like really do this shit. Like $130 to $1,000, bro. That's crazy. Now my TP's all the way up here, and that's bound to make about altogether probably 3,000 off $130. If we do get a retest, which I'm expecting, or you know what, I don't know. We just bombed Iran, so that's gonna cause these metals to shoot up. But if we do have a little retracement, where is that little thing at? The fuck is this? If we do have a little retracement, I'm expecting price to probably come down here, tap this zone, and come out and come back up. But I ain't gonna lie, the open tomorrow, which is Sunday, I think we're gonna have a big ass gap, and that gap might just boom put us to 4,400, bro. It's gonna push us to 5,400, cause it is, and I think the rest will be history throughout the week with gold. So it's possible this trade can hit this week, the way that we're sitting with this news events that's going on. I wouldn't say this like $100 challenge, but I love to challenge myself where I can take this account too. So this is kind of like, and really like it's like whatever to me. Like I seen this move, I trusted it. Also, shout out if y'all know Sai, trades by Sai. I also like I'm holding this trade too, just like him, because I probably would have took profit already, but he had a point with so much shit that he talks about with this Iran bombing and this and that, our U.S. bombing Iran, and if there's no price breaking structure below, we're still bullish. So that made me think like, all right, bet like we were definitely gonna climb up there, and we are doing that. So I always wanted to swing a trade like this. This is looking beautiful now. So now the rest is history, and that's that. I could have passed my 50K on Friday, but I didn't put my stop loss underneath a good level, bro. If I did, I would have been past that shit, but it's all right. Next week is a new week. We're gonna pass that shit with ease. It ain't nothing to pass an account. It ain't nothing. we're gonna pass, follow rules. But when I do trade, I usually trade US 30 now and gold. I'm not messing with NQ. I'm not messing with S&P. Gold and YM. That's it. My live account will be gold, silver, and US 30 for the most part. But that's where I'm at. Um, I think this year is really that year, bro. Like I've been like just getting my strategy down packed, bro. I don't give a fuck about the money right now. Just my strategy is already intact. I'm being more patient. I'm more disciplined. That's really all that matters for real. So once that's in, like once I have that mindset, continue that mindset, and just keep God first and everything I'm doing, then I'm good. So that's that, and that's what I've been doing. I've been trying to stay locked in. Go to the gym more. Go to the gym a little bit more. Just being active, and, you know, just keep my mind right, bro. Trying to stay off the media too. Like I deleted TikTok. I'm about to delete Instagram, so I don't start. I can just fully lock in, reading books. Like I put a book that I recommended in my Discord. Change my whole mind. If y'all know who Neuro Knowledge is, tap in with his book called Outsmarting Reality, bro. That shit is that. It's that book. No cap. So tapping with that book, it's your mind will change, bro. You will have a crazy different mindset for the rest of your life. I might reread it. What the fuck did I do? I might reread that book, but we'll see. Um, but yeah, man. If y'all have any like video recommendations, comment down below. I always say I'm gonna try to be like consistent and shit, but I'm gonna get back with y'all when I can. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with this trade though throughout the week for sure. And yeah, man, I'll catch up with y'all boys another time. We out.